What is the reason behind people's envy? Why people are so envy with each other? So this is the reason that these people, when they feel jealous or envy about others, they feel that the other person is more superior and they themselves are not that superior. They feel that this person, those persons they are connected to are being very great in the competition, so they try to always prove through competition. They feel they try to bring their value through competition and try to show that you all are not as great as I am, so you should respect. So this is how they try to get respect from those persons. They try to make a value of themselves. They can go to any extent to show their supremacy, their power. Sometimes they try to be controlling, to control the person so that the person doesn't go out of their hand and make their own life. And these persons who are actually being so much envy are very weak in nature from inside. They are pretty weak. They cannot do challenging things. They cannot do extraordinary things. Rather, they feel that they are losing every situations, every competitions. There is no competition actually. These people create competitions to create an environment so that the person they are dealing with gets afraid and tries to accept that they are weak. So when one has to deal with such kind of person, they must build a confidence within themselves and try to be bold, and if possible try to ignore these persons. These are the best ways to deal with such persons. So few things that we can understand about such kind of envy persons are they're pretty much insecure. They generally don't use their brain to develop their qualities. They don't foresee the things. They rather focus on debating. They rather focus on competition. So these are the positive things for the person who is a victim. They have to just observe how this person is behaving. So that time that person can find that these jealous persons are generally very weak. They are very much weak to disclose things to the public. They are very much insecure about their personality. They're very much shaky. So once if you try to show their wrongdoings to the public or to the family members, they are going to feel more weak. So these are some of the things. Well, these jealous people many times they do very very worst and bad things which should not be done, but they don't understand the outcome of it, which they suffer only. So this jealousy is not at all good thing, because if you are unnecessarily jealous, you can miss good things that have come to your life. You may miss a good friend, you may miss a good teacher, you may miss a good person, you may miss a good family member, anything. So it's better not to be jealous. Try to be friendly, try to be open minded, try to be broad minded, try to accept things, try to feel for others, try to accept others. That would help to develop a very unique and extraordinary personality. Generally, it's one can see if one is very much attentive. These envy persons are pretty fool. They do foolish things to be in the situation. They do unnecessary worst things that make them guilty. They think that this way they would prove themselves good and show their power. But if this person's come in contact with a very powerful, like confident and mentally powerful person, this envy persons, they feel more insecure. So friends, I hope this is clear to you, that why people are generally envy, because they know they don't have that quality in themselves. They feel they are not better than the other, and this is what they prove through their competition. Because if you are good and if you know you are good, why do you have to compete and prove? Competition is not something that proves you are the best, or you're, it just proves that you are better than someone, not you are the best one in the world. Because for to prove that, you have to compete with the whole of the world. That is never possible. So try to build your own personality, try to work on your own self. That would make you extraordinary, that would help you to be non envy. So these are some of the reasons people being envy, because they actually don't have understanding power. What they see, they try to believe. What they believe actually, they hardly think deeper into a situation, and that is their main weakness. So friends, today this much, and I hope this you have got a clear idea about this enviness. And I'm sure whoever is watching this video and feeling that they have some problems within themselves or in some other persons they are dealing with, of course, try to follow this video thoroughly and work on yourself, and if needed, work on your other people, whoever you are contact with. So thank you friends, love you all, bye bye.